One of the problems of adding data onto a sales order confirmation is that there are relatively small character limits on the sales order fields. Therefore, some businesses choose to use the sales order notes to add lengthy text onto a sales order confirmation. In this training video, we will look at adding sales order notes to a sales order confirmation. As a starting point, we are going to navigate to a sales order. We are then going to select a sales order from the list and then click the attachments icon in the top right corner. In this example, we can see that we have two notes against this sales order. We have an internal note and an external note. So the first step is to identify the system name for the table and field. So here we can see this is on the docuref table and the data field is notes. And we can also define a restriction here, so we've defined this note as external. And then we also need to find the system name for this table and field as well. So in this case we can see it's docuref and the field was restriction. Now we're going to go to our Lasernet report, go to the query wizard, click next a couple of times. And then we have our new table relation here, which is connecting the docuref table to the sales table, and we can also see the table relations here as well. And then if we click next, we can also see the fields which we need to add within the query wizard. So in this case we need to add the notes field on the docuref table, and then there's also one additional piece of setup just to add the restriction for external notes only, and this would be defined within the default ranges. And then we can click finish. Now the setup has been done within the query wizard, we can then create our sales order confirmation. We'll go to printer setup and just make sure that this is going to print to Lasernet screen. Click OK and OK again. And that's fine, we can click yes here. Now we've generated our sales order confirmation, we can then navigate to the Lasernet archive, check the XML file, and we will then be able to see the new field in the XML file here. And we can see that this is on the docuref table and it's the notes field.